So yo guys, for this episode, it will be English because I'm with Chef Ravin. So we are here in Mall of Qatar. We will visit our workplace. So yeah, we are just waiting for Alan to come. He's on the way right now. No, how come? Don't be busy. Aywa. Howdy, chef.
Please. Amin.
How are you, Mr. Rat? How are you? Balita. Ano si Amo?
Wala pa siya.
Wala pa? Kasi maglilibot lang kami. Pupunta rin si Alan eh. Si Alan.
Alan is also coming. Best friend.
Mag-iin na ba ako?
Are you vlogging?
Yes, and for today's episode, it should be English because I'm with English people. How are you, Mr. Ratna?
How are you guys? How's the house tour?
Salamat sa kape, bestie. After here, we will go to Almaha.
Hindi pa ako nakakabala.
Ako din eh. Aywa? Assalamualaikum. 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 Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Busy? Hira kami ha? Check muna tayo mga kuys. Saktuhan lang. Hindi mo ganun ka tupit. Let's go. Aywa. See? Very nice, huh?
Wala very warm,
Huh?
Very warm.
Yes. Aywa. Aywa. It's big?
No.
It's big or just
Just little one.
where is your
Here.
See, this one is fine, right? Because their size are small. Aywa. 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 Pogi naman ni Enrique, oh. Yan, oh. Ah, puta suplado, ah. Hi ka muna sa vlog.
Aywa. Vlog ba yan?
Oh. Drip check muna, drip check. Aywa. Ano ang balita? Aywa, so we are complete already.
Then
Enrique Hill is here on the house.
laundry.
Enrique is on the
I
house.
sleep 10:30. I wake up 12 o'clock. Still sleeping. Akala ko iwan na 1 hour.
Sorry, Mr. Rira. Aywa? I'm with the very handsome boys, huh? Pogi. Aywa? O, panalo ka na naman, Chris, ah.
Bigay mo kaya mo. Send mo kaya mo.
Ha?
Send mo kaya mo. Ay, picture lang mo ka. Send mo kaya mo. Yung bumisit. Ba't umorder ako eh?
Anto. Yan. Yeah. Aywa. Kalas. Aywa. Ikaw, slow mo ka din? Hindi na.
Kaya picture tayo.
So ayun mga kuys, no? I'm going to take my day pass. How are you, boss? All good?
Good.
Aywa.
Yeah.
Later we will still run.
Huh?
When we get home, we will still run. After this. Aywa, so this is your first time, chef? First time to travel using Metro Tram. Aywa. So we will do a lot of things on your first time. Eh?
Me.
Aywa.
I'll take picture and I'll send you.
So guys, we are here now in Marina North Station. We went down. Yeah, this is
But this
the.
place I come there too much.
Yeah.
Many times.
This side, then this side also.
Huh?
This side, then after that side.
Wonderland, and I think this is the beef bar. Yeah. Aywa, so now they're making
This side.
photos. Aywa.
Yes, Eddie. Picture.
Only one this house in Almaha? No.
Yeah, one house, Almaha. I mean, one house Mocha, one house Karaki, one house.
No, they have different.
Happy water, your shoes are wet, huh? Even Robin's shoes.
Wet already.
Aywa.
For me, no problem.
Yeah.
Both times.
Your shoes is heavy
Yeah,
duty.
yeah.
But me, kalas, no need.
Because you care your shoes, right?
Of course.
Because that's what coming water.
What you will tell?
One shisha.
Aywa.
Give one
Tell,
shisha. Yeah.
Tell to Mr. Rishad, ha?
Tell to Mr. Rishad. These are good in Almaha if the season like this. Because if you want break time, you go backside of the cafe. They have space.
You came here before, right?
You want picture? Sit inside.
No, I
One photo?
Well, too many times.
Yeah.
This
I'll
happened.
pass.
Asadik inside.
Yala. Go. I'll take photo.
You that.
Yala, my child, my kids. Go.
Video?
Yeah, and then you will collab.
Yeah.
Aywa. Yala, let's go.
Don't worry, guys. We are in zebra crossing.
Huh?
We are in zebra crossing. This is our right to walk on
They
this.
have
So yeah,
Karak
this.
na.
So we reached the food truck already.
Karaki.
Now we are heading to the food truck, which we have our other outlet, or I mean other kiosk. So right now it's very cold, but good thing I'm wearing how do I call
Here
it?
we
Jacket.
can drink coffee.
Yeah.
That's no cost.
Yalla. Ayun. BIB. Where is Mocha? I think over there somewhere. Yeah. So this is BIB. So yeah, here's our outlet. Musta? How are you? Are you Muslim already?
Ang pangit niyo.
Besh, you have customer.
Ang lamig kaya. Maya na yan, may Dubai crepe pa siya doon.
You're serving Dubai crepe now here?
Yes.
Yes?
Ako din naman cute.
No, not yet because we're having trouble in the. Aywa. I will put this on vlog, ha?
Ang gwapo mo ngayon ah.
Uy,
Ngayon lang?
Oo, ngayon lang. Kasi yung ano mo.
aywa.
Pag bumagsak ka, babato ka. Pag pumasa ka, yan, recruiting us.
Of course, I'll send.
They recruit, we transfer gawin na.
Yeah. So now we're going home. We are heading. No, not yet. We are heading to Vendome. But this guy, he'll go home because he needs to prepare for his wife. Yalla. Aywa, so now we are here at Vendome Mall with the Chef Robin. Alan already left. Aywa. See you guys in a bit.
خلاص
Ma'am? So,
Like Sevilla, passengers are reminded not to leave their belongings unattended.
هذا القطار متجه إلى مطار حمد الدولي.
Green line.
هذه المحطة هي
see you tomorrow.
التبديل من هنا إلى
So,
11 pala yun.
So, guys.
So chips.
11 na isa?
11. 11 yung, I don't know.
Now I'm
Akala
here
ko
with
9
my
lang.
lady. Akala ko nga 5 eh.
5.50 yung other chips.
Alin yung ano?